Vitamin and mineral deficiencies. A balanced diet includes all food constituents. Body needs vitamins and minerals in very small amounts. Deficiency of these can cause disease. Vitamins has a specific and vital functions in body. It is essential for growth and development of body. 13 vitamins are necessary for health. Vitamins A, D, E, and K are fat soluble and others are water soluble. The distinctions between fat and water soluble vitamins is important. Fat soluble vitamins are more readily stored in the body, but they may be properly absorbed in fat malabsorption disorders. A deficiency of vitamins may be primary or secondary because of disturbance in intestinal absorption, transport in the blood, tissue storage, or metabolic conversion. Vitamin A deficiency. Lack of vitamin A is called vitamin A deficiency. It is common in developing countries. Night blindness is one of the first signs of vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin A deficiency leading conditions are night blindness, xerophthalmia, xeros conjunctiva, xeros cornea, bitot spots, keratomalacia, follicular hyperkeratosis, growth retardation, impaired immunity. Night blindness is the difficulty for the eyes to adjust to dim light. Vitamin A deficiency associated with loss of globulate cells in the conjunctiva of eye. This leading to night blindness. Xerophthalmia. Eye fails to produce tears. It's called xerophthalmia. Xeros conjunctiva. Conjunctiva is dry, thickened, wrinkled and pigmented due to keratization of epithelial cells. Xeros cornea. Dryness spreads to cornea. Bitot spot. Grayish or white plaques formed of desquamated conjunctival epithelium adhering to conjunctiva. Keratomalacia. Untreated cirrhosis of conjunctiva and cornea leads to development of keratomalacia. Here a corneal epithelium is opaque and ulcerated, it leading to blindness. Follicular hyperkeratosis. There is a hyperkeratinization of epithelial lining of hair follicles. Then growth retardation and impaired immunity. Vitamin A is required for the proliferation of T killer cells. A deficiency of vitamin A suppresses T cells, thereby causing impaired immunity. Sources of vitamin A: liver, beef, pork, chicken, fish liver oil, egg yolk, carrot, broccoli, sweet potato, beans, spinach, pumpkin, then dairy products, cheese and milk, fruits, papaya and mango. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is also known as sunshine's vitamin because it can be synthesized in the body in presence of the UV rays from sun. Functions. Vitamin D promotes absorption of calcium and phosphorus from small intestine. Vitamin D promotes reabsorption of bone and mobilization of calcium from bones. Increase absorption of phosphorus from kidney and immune regulatory role. Vitamin D deficiency leading disease is called as rickets. Rickets characterized by bone deformities. Early signs of this deficiency are formation of small around anossified areas in the bones of skull and bedding of osteochondral junction of ribs. It is known as rickety rosary. This is the early sign, and the later signs are developed deformities such as pigeon breast, bow legs and knock knees, And some common skeletal deformities are delayed closure of anterior frontanals, delayed eruption of primary teeth, enamel defect, enlargement of long bones around wrist and ankle, ball, knock legs, increased frequency of green stick fracture. Bollocks and knock legs. Knees stay apart even when standing with feet and ankles together. That's called bollocks and knock legs. Then green stick fracture. Green stick fracture in young soft bone in which the bone bends and break. The name is in by analogy with green or fresh wood which similarly breaks on the outside when bent. That's why this is called as green stick fracture. Preventive measures: providing enough vitamin D in diet, promoting intake of vitamin D, exposure to light, administration of vitamin D to nursing mothers. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a group of 8 closely related fat soluble compounds, 4 tocopherols and 4 tocotrienols. Vitamin E is equal to tocopherol. Tocos equal to childbirth, feros to beer, OL equal to OH, that means alcohol. So it is a anti-infertility vitamin. 8 derivatives of tocopherols identified, that's as alpha, beta, gamma and tocopherol, etc. Vitamin E acts as scavenger and get oxidized to quinone formed by free radicals and protects polyunsaturated fatty acids from pre-oxidation reactions. Sources: cottonseed oil, sunflower oil, corn oil, soya bean, cabbage, wheat germ oil, almonds, sun-dried tomatoes. Vitamin E deficiency leads to red blood cell breakdown, anemia, neuropathy, weakness, difficulty in walking. Deficiency managing ways: vitamin E supplementation. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is a group of lipophilic hydrophobic vitamins, fat soluble compound necessary for the synthesis of several proteins required for blood clotting. Types of vitamin K: vitamin K1, pheloquinone, vitamin K2, menaquinone, vitamin K3, menadione. Sources: spinach, cabbage, cauliflower, egg yolk. Vitamin K deficiency interferes the child's normal physiological changes. Deficiency of vitamin K results in abnormal bleeding even from small cut, spontaneous nose bleeding, bruises, bleeding gums, blood in urine or blood in stool. Preventive measures of vitamin K deficiency: dietary intake of vitamin K rich food items, administration of oral suspension of vitamin K, administration of injection vitamin K. Next, water soluble vitamins. First one, vitamin C, it is ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid plays a role in collagen, hormone and amino acid formation. It is essential for wound healing and facilitate recovery from burns. Vitamin C is also an antioxidant, supports immune function and facilitate the absorption of iron. Sources of vitamin C: citrus fruits, orange, lemon and amla, kiwi fruit, mango, papaya, pineapple, strawberries and watermelon. Then vegetables: broccoli, cauliflower, sprouts, spinach, cabbage, sweet and white potato and tomato. Deficiency of vitamin C disease is called scurvy. It's also called bleeding gums. Management: diet rich in vitamin C, then administration of ascorbic acid, 50 mg intramuscular twice daily for 1 week, and after that 100 mg per day for 1 month. Vitamin B complex, in that first one, vitamin B1, thiamine. Thiamine is a cofactor in oxidative decarboxylation of keto acids. Sources: pork, whole grains, legumes, tuna, and soya milk. Deficiency: decreased ATP production, impaired cellular function, and beriberi. Second one, riboflavin B2. Riboflavin needed for good vision and healthy skin and electron transfer. Sources of riboflavin or B2: milk, mushrooms, tomatoes, liver, green leafy vegetables. And the deficiency: growth retardation and araboflavinosis, that is glossitis and stomatitis. Glossitis means it's a soreness of the tongue, and stomatitis means inflammation of the mouth and lips. Nicotinic acid or niacin. It contains pyridine nuclease and nicotinamide. It is highly water soluble and resistant to heat. It is essential for normal functioning of skin, intestinal tract, and nervous system. It's a component of coenzymes and DNA repair. Sources: yeast, liver, peanut, cereals, legumes, meat, and fish. Niacin deficiency leads to pellagra. It's characterized by 4Ds: dermatitis, dementia, diarrhea, and death. Pyridoxine B6. It consists of three closely related pyridine derivatives: pyridoxine, pyridoxal, and pyridoxamine. Functions: coenzyme for transmination reactions and decarboxylation of carboxylic acids, essential for fatty acid synthesis. Sources: wheat, corn, egg yolk, liver, potato, banana, fish. Deficiencies: dermatitis, fatigue, depression, confusion, convulsion, seizure, skin lesions around eye, nose, and mouth. Biotin B7, cofactor in carboxylation reaction and regulation of gene expressions. Sources: almost all food we can get B7, especially milk, egg yolk, tomato, almond, peanuts, avocado, and mushroom. Deficiency leading problems: muscle pain, hyperthasia, anorexia with nausea, mild depression. Vitamin B12, cobalamin, transfer of methyl groups and production of blood cells, that is a function. And the sources: liver, whole milk, cottage, cheese, oysters, salmon, egg, pork, chicken. Deficiencies: pernicious anemia, low intrinsic factor in stomach. Last one, folic acid. It acts as a coenzyme and essential for maturation of RBCs. Sources: green leafy vegetables, organ meats, legumes, whole cereals, dried yeast. Deficiency: megaloblastic anemia, glossitis. Glossitis means inflammation of the tongue, and this condition swell in size, change in color, and develop different appearance in the surface. Next, folic acid leading deficiency, chelosis. Chelosis is a inflammation of small cracks in one side or both corners of the mouth. Then GIT disturbances. Thank you.